Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. Alright, so welcome to day 3 of Big Push. We got the lift plate bolted on. I've gone over everything again this morning. I am very confident that I actually have everything disconnected. Buddy of mine's coming over this afternoon. We're going to get this popped out. And I guess right now, in order to try and keep busy, I'm going to do some cleaning and painting. I got to finish cleaning those off and get all that stuff turned black again instead of kind of rusty. All right. I'll bring you back when we're starting to do a engine pick. All right, you got that all set up? All right, I guess we're ready to give it a yoink. Hopefully that jack don't interfere with the feed of this thing. Off center here. There we go. I think that's about right.
Yeah. Oh, you got plenty of room. Sweet.
Good.
Center hole.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Push comes shove, you can set it back down. So I'm lifting this leg up. I think it's just the way the ground is.
Oh yeah. Good with that.
Yeah. Get good load on it. Alright. Off this side. That's just. And we're off both mounts. Yep.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. If you can get this in there, give it a little tweak, give it a little push. A little back pressure on the. Getting anywhere?
Well, it wants to. What if you give her
Give it enough pump?
Yeah. I think the other side's got a little pump.
Yeah.
Side over here is a pretty good gap.
Roll it back the other way. Yeah. Can't get enough in there. We got the saddle hole here though. If I can get down there.
My way.
I didn't miss a bell hook bolt, so it doesn't like that, right?
No, I got a really good gap on my side.
Yeah, I do too, down on the bottom here.
You. Okay. What if I give this a pump? Help you, Rick.
I don't know, give it another one. I didn't see it move. It ain't moving. Yep, do that again. Yep,
There she goes.
yep. We're through now.
Nice.
Give this a little bit of a row.
Yeah. Hey, look at that.
Alright, now we want to come up.
Yep.
Come forward a little bit more.
Yep, maybe come towards you. There we go. Yeah, looks like they ain't nothing else to look at. That's good.
That's fucking rare.
I think it's gonna fuck us this little, I don't want to tweak it too much, but keep going. I'll let you know.
It should swing right
It
up.
should, yeah. Oh, there we go, yep.
I almost wish I had the car mobile at this point.
Right.
You know, it'd be easier to roll the car up under it than
Right. It would, yeah.
you know, it'd be safer too.
Oh, that flywheel looks new.
Yeah, I think it is.
He's got a couple fucked up teeth, but
Yeah, well, just a little bit more here, and we're over it. I think that's gonna do it.
you can see it. It was almost a
Yeah. If you can get it back here without fucking shit up. We know when we're out.
perfect. Yeah, just a little more, I think. And then we'll clean it up. Good. And lower it down.
Lower it down so it's
Stability.
low. That plate is fucking sketchy.
Yeah. Actually squeezing.
Yeah. Alright. That ought to do it.
Sweet.
Oh, I failed to get fucking wrenches. Like a dumbass. Went in and got that pry bar. Alright. This way I actually come back the right size shit.
Wow, it's an actual Ford flywheel too. Not the cheap stuff. Ooh. See what better days.
This'll get her.
This thing's definitely been kissed a few times.
Yeah.
But look, it's a Ford flywheel.
Yep.
Or a flex plate.
Flex plate, yeah.
Flex plate. Sorry.
God forbid. You use the wrong nomenclature. Alright, what the fuck did I do with that other one? Oh, there it is. Alright. Well, which way do you think? Think the shorties on top?
Mm, well,
Try the long ones on top, huh?
I think so.
Two long ones, two short ones.
Sure is, yep. Try it. Hold that freaking ensemble, okay.
Either way. It ain't right. Get these 200 on there. Back here. Is this gonna reach?
Well, we're on my side. Your side.
I'm nowhere near there.
Alright, shit.
Alright, so that don't work. New plan.
you know.
Yeah, well, held I jump. I got the ball.
Okay.
Oh, I'm crippled. Okay.
Alright, so
So let's flip it over.
Alright.
We'll put 2 short ones on top. Alright. Now, start with these 2 centered. Both even. Yeah, roughly.
Jeez, I don't like that. All the way through.
Yeah, I agree. Do you think we ought to have that other washer on the other side? We could put this block to it?
I mean, that wouldn't hurt. You
Well,
know.
it certainly.
Just got some ripples from
No, it ain't gonna be good. Let's do these one at a time.
Okay.
So this way I'm losing the fucking. This
I was
giant block.
hoping it was just gonna stay there.
No, that seems like wishful thinking. There we go. Cross
Cross threads, no threads, tight as tight.
Yeah. Cross riding is good as red block type, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. That looks a lot better. Same thing.
Except some fucking chocolate.
Oh yeah. This thing, it ain't no fucking caterpillar or anything, but she ain't like. Look at you, fucking smart guy, keeping shit in the same spot.
Is it that smart?
All right.
So that's about half and half-ish.
Think that's where we want to be?
I think so. Should we snug these in first here?
Can't hurt. Because then, you know, as long as it.
Final
Yeah.
adjustment.
Yeah. Fucking maple seeds. Like, these things are fucking everywhere. Everywhere. Just when you think you're rid of them, clean them all up. You look, and there's more.
The wind blows, yeah.
And it's like beach sand. You think you vacuum it all out of your car after a trip to Reed. You know? 3 days later, your bed's full of it. Where the hell did this shit come from? Well, this is These are motor mounts.
Well, I was looking at this one here. I think you probably should replace this one.
Think so?
Yeah,
God damn it, look at that. I come back with the wrong size fucking
you
wrench. I thought they were 13/16. I figured they'd be 13/16 on the other end, too. There you go, get a 7/8.
God damn it! Rack of resin, frick of rack.
The only thing you might not be able to do with one is obviously crank this thing over because these are going to be pushed right up against each other. So.
I don't think they can interfere. I think they'll might mark it, but I don't think it'll damage it.
No.
Just slide those off. Go this way and give them a little bit. Yeah. Just put it on there, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just stuff her on there. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you say that. When I was a kid, my brother worked for a junkyard up on Brunswick Ave. It ain't there anymore. It was on the left side, heading out.
Yeah.
And they did a lot of wrecking, you know.
Sure.
But they also did a lot of building. And they had some. We high enough there?
What year is it?
65.
Yeah, sorry, I was paying attention to that. I think probably.
Well, we want to go a little bit higher. We
Okay.
lift that onto it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it's got to get tipped in order to be on there. That ought to do it. No, just leave it. Just let go of that. Grab this. This is a lot lighter. I know, I can do that. You get that on them bigger jobs. What the hell? Why are we holding up? I don't know.
Maybe,
We need to twist this way. You need to lift your front end up over the leg. Yep. What the hell?
I don't know. Huh.
Yes.
Maybe, you go down a little?
Okay, we'll give it a go. Good?
Yep.
So anyways, back to the story. The guy my brother worked for, a guy named Gene,
Yep.
and I seen that guy lift a fucking block by hand.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Granted, it was strapped.
Right.
You know, it was There's no heads, no intake, no exhaust, no accessories.
And he picked it up.
Yep. I mean, he didn't pick it right up. He was struggling.
Alright, new plan.
What the fuck's going on here? There ain't that going on.
What if we go way up and then just pick this whole thing up, both of us, and just slide it on there?
Okay.
I don't even know.
Do you think that'll be high enough?
I think so.
Okay. So, pick her up.
There we go.
Throw that pin in it.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Now, let's be
Well,
just kind of hold
just
it.
kind of swing it out of the way
Yep.
a little bit. I'll set her back on her feet.
Oh, shoot, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Didn't even flinch.
Good thing I spent $300 on that crane now that I'm all done with it.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I can't sell it yet. I still need to put it back in, don't I? Oh yeah. Almost like we knew what the hell we were doing. Roll that bitch the hell out of the way. Roll this bitch back over here. Damn, that's a heavy engine.
It is, yeah.
Where's my beer? That definitely counts for a finish the beer kind of moment. Oh, that was.
Yeah, I was really surprised.
I wonder what the fuck that came out of.
Almost looks like it's not manifold though, is it?
That weird thing on it.
Yeah.
Oh, take a
Or
look
heat
here. It
shield
was,
or something.
this there weren't no heat shields back in the day.
No. Well, see, like this thing right here. Yeah. So this little, I call it heat shield.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
how it's got the little.
Yeah, I got nothing like that on this side.
No. So maybe
Although
it
I can
was-
see where it's rotted off.
I was gonna say it's probably deleted or something.
Do I got a missing one? Nope. I got a
Nope.
new bolt right there though.
Yeah. Somebody probably changed the route.
Yeah. Ain't this weird how the head almost splits in half?
Yes. Yep. Yeah, this motor mount too is kind of, I don't know, I can probably do both. Because you've got the same thing on the other side.
Yeah.
That's just me, I mean,
Yeah, they're cheap.
yeah, okay.
Well, I'll see. I haven't really looked into it. Well, after some kind and timely help from neighbor Jordan, we got the engine out. And I can't say I'm more excited about that than, well, I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah. So, I still got lots of cleaning now. I gave her a couple times over and we'll keep going, ticking away at it. We'll eventually get this all tuned up before too much longer here, and it'll be a pretty special thing. Because, yeah, I think I've mentioned it before, but the next thing is that torque converter out and replace the seal on the front pump. And then it's going to be transmission service. And drop the pan, do the gasket, do the filter. Take that brake booster out, take that steering column off at the rag joint, get that out. We'll be moving forward. Tomorrow's another day. I think I've had about enough for today. That was, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got a bunch of accessory stuff all painted up. And we'll flip all them over here in a little bit, give it all another coat. And that ought to be ready to reinstall. I still don't know what I'm going to do with that. That power steering pump is leaking like a sieve, and the new ones ain't much better. I don't know. But I guess we'll burn that bridge after we cross it. Alright, here we are, engine out after first successful rinse down here. We'll, shit everywhere on the engine. I'm pretty sure this is a leak. Right here out of this, we'll get that replaced. We'll replace that. Otherwise than that, there's not a lot I'm going to do here. I think I'm going to plug these two holes right here. Just put a bolt in them because we're going to eliminate the riser. We're going to cover this with a little bit of tape. And we're going to pressure wash this old girl off. Clean her up. And be done with that. And I don't know what the hell these are. Any guesses? Any note what this? It's threaded. It doesn't go anywhere though. It just dead ends. There's another one on this side. It's threaded, but it doesn't go anywhere. It just dead ends. Don't know what those are for. I got two different style studs. I got a coarse thread and a fine thread. I don't know why. I don't know if I'll even bother to clean those up. I think I'm going to get some of that horrible caustic purple shit to spray on this. But yeah, the engine pull happened way better than I thought it was gonna. It went real smooth. I'm going to drain that fluid out of that. I'm going to turn that so that that is right above that hole, and I'll try and drain it into a catch can. So I'll take that torque converter out. I have no idea what that red thing is over there. I'll fish that out of there. Yeah, I think I'm going to kind of let this dry for a while, and we'll go another round of cleaning and see how it is. Probably let it dry and go another round of cleaning, and let it dry and go another round of cleaning, and keep on doing that until I feel comfortable that I'm not going to be covered in mud by the time I get in there. And we're going to do that transmission seal first. Take care of that, get that done. And then our next big thing is going to be that brake booster. We've got to get that out of there so that we can get the new one installed. But as soon as we get that out of there, we're going to do the rag joint and do the column, so we can get that column bushing installed around the bearing inside. Bada boom, bada bing. Brake booster reinstalled, brake lines hooked back up. I don't know as I'll bleed them then or not, but we'll just get it installed so I can get the engine shoveled back in. I'm going to do what I can for cleaning on that. And boop. Closer all the time. We'll keep moving forward. Yeah, so I got some more painting and cleaning to do. Every day is getting a little bit closer to putting this thing on the road. I can't wait. I appreciate you sticking with me. Please like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It doesn't cost you anything. Go ahead and give it a try. I appreciate you watching. Catch you next time. This has been Empty Pockets production.